Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the brand new Microsoft Teams calendar in 2025. Microsoft recently refreshed the interface, so whether you're brand new or just upgrading, this full guide will help you schedule, share, and manage events like a pro. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss the small tips that make a big difference. Accessing the calendar first, open your web browser and head to the official Microsoft Teams website. Click the Sign In button in the top right corner and log in with your Microsoft credentials. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and click the calendar icon. This takes you straight to the new Teams calendar interface, where you'll see a clean layout of your week or month. Scheduling an event. To create a new meeting or event, simply click on the exact date and time you want. A pop-up window appears. This is where you'll fill in the details. Title. Give your event a clear descriptive name so everyone knows what it's about. Participants. Click people who are invited and type the email addresses of the people you want to include. Visibility. Make sure the details are visible to everyone invited by selecting Everyone. When everything looks good, hit Save. Teams will instantly send notifications to all attendees, and the event will appear on their calendars too. Sharing event details. Want to share the event with others outside the invite list? After saving, click Copy from the event page. This copies a direct link and all the important details. You can paste it into an email, a Teams chat, or even a different messaging app to spread the word quickly. Pro tips for 2025. Use the week view for a quick snapshot of upcoming meetings. If you're juggling multiple time zones, enable the dual time zone option in settings to avoid confusion. Need to edit later? Just click the event, update the info, and hit Save. Everyone gets the update instantly. And that's it. A complete walkthrough of the new Microsoft Teams calendar for 2025. With these steps, you can schedule, manage, and share events seamlessly. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more productivity tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.